And we are live. Good morning, everybody. The time is 9:27 a.m. East Coast. We got about a little over 2 minutes until the bell. Just taking a quick look at financial juice. Make sure we're up to date on all the news. We had Canadian wholesales month over month, U.S. Philadelphia Fed Business Index, U.S. import price, and jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. East Coast time. Looks like there's an increase in jobless claims. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it is.
It is something.
I can't see anything on your camera. It's like blurred right out. Good morning there. There we go.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, there we go. Nice.
Sorry about that. I know you want to see my pretty face.
Right?
Might be better if I just turn the camera off. You'll end up with more viewers on your YouTube channel.
And we have natural gas at 10:30. So not a very heavy news day. Anyways, some of the news already passed. Okay.
Waiting to see what YM does here this morning. I have a feeling it's going to go up for a little bit, but
it's been looking pretty bullish all overnight. Slow climb until we sort of did a little sell-off there. Oh, it just popped right there before right at market open there.
There's a pop.
Just trying to get my accounts logged in here. Hey, we got good morning, Johan and Darren. Market is bouncing off TMC beating earning estimates. Nice.
YM's coming back down now on this 5-minute candle. Erased half of what it made.
Yeah. Get my VWAPs all on.
You don't have those VWAPs on yet?
Nope.
Come on, man. That should have been on hours ago.
for New York Open, guys. Yeah.
Pretty decent opening range here. Book map is all over the place on YM right now.
I really got to update that that subscription. Woo. TSMC, he means basically they provide all the chips for NVIDIA, etc. Yeah. Taiwan stock market.
Taiwan Semiconductor.
Semiconductor.
It's a Taiwan Semiconductor.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, so the States definitely has a reason to want to keep Taiwan independent, eh?
Maybe. I will not pretend to know what people in government positions are thinking. I took a little scalp on YM. There's just made $900 on a YM long on a test account.
Nice. Yeah, I'm actually in a long also on YM on eval.
Yeah, eval test account, same thing.
Yeah, I'm out of those.
I'm actually not hating the longs for the rest of the day either. This is looking pretty damn good.
NQ's doing a little pullback here.
YM's doing a little pullback off that opening range high. It's looking like it's going to pull down a little bit more. We got orders down at 49,470.
Well, we got orders up at 7,020 and 7,015 on the ES here. NQ, let's take a look at NQ here quick too. $26,000. Ooh, 26,000, eh? Because we have equal highs up at 26,122. So I'm watching a 5-minute fair value gap here for an inversion, and then once we get that, we could think about a long.
Just waiting for a little
Targeting
pullback
the
on this
equal
IM
highs.
here. Waiting for a pullback, and I don't know if I'm going to get it. Got orders up at 630, 640 now.
And ripping. Maybe that is the pullback.
I was just having a very similar thought.
There you go. Get a bit more.
Orders are disappearing down below. And coming back on at 500.
Well, I got in there long at 532.
I got my long in at
Just in money.
533. You beat me by a point.
Nice. And we're ripping. We're ripping. Up 25. Oh, red candle coming. Bounce. There you go.
Oh, we're good.
Nice.
We're good. We got this shit.
Up to the highs here. Locking in about 50. I'm out 44 times 4.
All right.
Johan wants to ask a question about silver.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Johan wants to
You can ask. May not have an
about
answer, though.
silver. Yeah.
What's your question?
Hey, good morning, Tim.
The answer is 42. You've ever read Douglas Adams, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, I think we might need to make this into English.
So
Let me get out my Google Translate real quick here.
Sorry, my French is horrible.
J'ai voulu placer un order un contract le temps que je me rendais.
But with the profit
You wanted to
of
order
12,
place one contract, but when you realized that the stake was too high, I closed it immediately with a profit of 1,200.
so that was not most likely that was not an error on your part or an incorrect placement. That's called slippage. You just happen to end up with positive slippage, and silver moves really, really fast. So if you end up with positive slippage and you're up 2 ticks, that's a lot of money on a large silver contract. But that would be my guess, would be slippage, not
Yeah, that sounds
not
like.
a.
So was it a mini contract that you went in on?
Because
Wow.
the mini
And
con,
why I'm just reversed that whole.
glad I'm out of it. So mini contracts are $5,000 a point.
It was a micro.
Oh shit.
I don't know. The price was ripping, maybe. Yeah. I don't. It doesn't sound like you did anything wrong, though.
No, I mean my
made
guess
$1,200
would have been slippage, but I could be very wrong. Oh, looks like YM's going to keep going down here. All the orders are underneath us. Got orders down at 49, 410, 400, 380, 320.
Wow. We reacted right off 600 there. What is slippage? So slippage is basically the price in between the bid and the ask, and sometimes it's moving or pretty far apart. So when you go to enter, the price can move really quickly depending on which direction the bids and the asks are moving. So if you entered, you got in, and the price just kind of like jumped really quick to another price, you could be instantly in the money, or vice versa. So if you look at Trade-Evade, I don't know if you have a Trade-Evade platform, but quite often you can see the bid and the ask as little bars on the right-hand side near the price line. So and you can kind of see them bouncing around, and sometimes the price itself doesn't move until an order is executed, but the little bid and ask are moving, and the price hasn't moved yet. That's what slippage is. Bad couple of days, blew one account, but second count is 300 from passing. Oh, nice, Keith. Well, yeah, take it easy. Then slow it down. Oh, you're locked it out for 200 for the day already. Nice.
Good job. That's awesome.
Okay, well, did we invert that fair high gap? Looks like, and I got the kind of the move that I wanted on NQ here.
Looks like YM's gonna drop a little bit more here. I say that and it bounces up.
No problem, Johan. Well, congratulations on the big W, though.
Yeah, it's a great win, no matter how you got it.
Hopefully it wasn't like an error, though, in like the trading platform, and then when you go to, if you Hopefully they don't try to change that. Was it in a funded or an eval account? Yeah, lucky girl. So yeah, that YM bounced off the 49,600 like to the T there. Eval, nice. Oh, they probably won't be that. They won't scrutinize your account that much, anyways. So if there's some sort of error there, probably won't have to worry about that part. The max daily profit is 1,500. YM's trying to bounce here a bit.
It's trying to. I got a long end. Average price is $4.90 now. I just added into it, so I'm hoping it breaks over this simple moving average, and it just did. All right.
Nice. I feel like I'm late to try to get in that right now. Found some pretty nice support at the 460 area, 450.
All right. See if I can pass this eval today. I just locked in $1,790.
Nice.
It's funny, I'm up $1,790, and the trailing drawdown is down by 170.
Just on that little pullback or something at the end there?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard when you got to be pretty aggressive with that stop, right? Or else you're could get back quite a bit with big size.
That's why I'm doing a single account at a time here.
Yeah, nice.
Just because the pullback on them is, if you're trading, three minis on YM, when it pulls back 2 points, it just eats up your trailing stop loss quickly.
Oh yeah. A little bit range bound there. No, so we went up to almost 540 there, and then rejected, heading back towards the 450 again.
What are you looking at?
Just
you're looking at YM now.
Yeah, I'm eyeballing NQ. If we start to look bullish, I want to take a long up above. If we get above 25,960, and then I want to target 26,100, or up at 26,000 area, anyways, because we got orders up at 26,000. So. We're just probably going to get some sort of a big pullback first before they try to catapult up there, if they're going to go that way.
Yeah, so. That's usually
we didn't do a super sell-off out of the gate, so that's a plus. Oh, Austin's talking about YM right now.
What?
Yeah, he's like, I'm liking the way YM looks today. It's above previous day view up. It's above the start of day view up.
Just gotta wait for a decent pullback here. And this might be it right now.
Looks like Austin's finally back home from his trip. So I spent a bunch of hours yesterday painting.
One
finished
job I
the
did not like.
accent wall. Nice, yeah. Finished my accent wall and cut in basically all the other walls, filled holes. So today I got to sand and prime all the holes, and then finish the cutting, and then roll the rest of the room. So bit of a job today.
Does not
460
sound
again
fun to me at all.
Right? It's work, that's for sure.
Not my idea of fun. I can tell you that much. I hate painting. I suck at doing it.
Yeah. Darren shorted ES for 60. Oh, 60. Oh, $60 maybe? 706 to 694. Oh, that's 12 points. Yeah, $60. Nice. On one micro, that's a nice trade for sure.
Looks like YM's having trouble getting down below that 4062 level. I'm sorry, 49,462.
From that
Seems to
opening
be
bullish candle there, we had left a nice big bullish fair value gap that it's kind of like holding right now, right? So I'm trying to long here on NQ, 1 micro. See if we can't get up above previous day high here. At a minimum. Like I said, though, I would like to see us get a little bit of momentum and start heading up towards 26,000. We got a bunch of orders up there. We got orders at 925, 950, 990.
Got all the orders in there right now.
But they also have orders down at 25,800. So we'll see. We'll see.
So YM's
Dad,
coming
good
back
morning.
down, sitting right in the middle of that bullish fair value gap that you were just talking about on the 5-minute.
Yes, sir. And it's holding a 9 EMA right now. Tim, Czar took it along at 46.09 on the COMEX Open.
No kidding.
46.09. Ooh, that's a nice long there, Czar. Killer. I never heard them talk so much about YM on ASFX TV this morning.
I don't know if I've ever heard Austin talking about YM.
Right? Come on, NQ, don't do this to me. Go the right direction.
Just yell at it. You're going the wrong way. It'll listen.
I'm gonna like flick my screen pretty soon here. Johan's short on NQ. Why didn't you tell me that earlier?
Come on, Johan. Get your shit together.
Yeah, I'm down 20, 30 points on one micro. I just like the orders above 950, 987, 600. You broke the 20 SMA. Yeah, I have a 21. This is a little green line that's on the screen. Maybe hard for you to see, but yes, we did break that. But the buyers have been sort of protecting this 880 level. Got 46 seconds on this candle here. Structure seems reverse for bullish. Bearish? Oh. Ooh, Dow's going up, hey? Back up to the fifth 540 level.
Again, just waiting for a little bit of a pullback on the YM. YM's great if you want to pass an eval really quickly.
Yeah.
As long as you don't have a consistency rule or anything like that. It's coming back up towards the opening range high.
Oh yeah, all the way up to the top there. You can see what's going to happen here with the 600 level.
Well, there's orders up at 650 and 630.
ES is setting up to squeeze all these shorts, just not quite a decent entry to long, hence why I took 2 quick shorts. That's what Aaron's saying.
Got a few more orders that just came on at the 650 level. And prices start to pull back a little bit.
Yeah, I see that. NQ's trying to bounce here to my entry.
On the 3-minute, we got a bullish, the top of a bullish fair value gap at 528.70.
Oh yeah.
Wow, there are a lot of orders coming on up at the 660 level. Nothing
You're not
really
using the Trader Lite, right?
I'm sorry, what?
You don't use Trader Map Lite anymore, do you?
No. I don't like the light. I've never really used it. I've always used the book map, the BMD.
Yeah, nice. Johan took her profit.
Good job, Johan.
Yeah.
You know, I was waiting for a little pullback to high of day VWAP, but I don't think I'm going to get it on YM.
Orders are getting pretty thick, actually below on the NQ now. So I'm feeling a little less confident in this trade. So if I can take a little profit out of this trade, I'm probably going to just lock it in.
What are you in right now?
I'm in my average price. I have two contracts at 25,886. So right where the price is, basically, we're just taking it right now. Hopefully. But we got orders down at 812 and 800 and 845-ish, it looks like. Just rejected off of the 9 EMA or 21 EMA there. Should have got out there. Had a small chance. Nice day. Already 4 winners. Nice, Johan.
That is a good day.
Today was a good day.
What's up, Ice Cube?
Yeah.
What, Dave, you didn't even need to use your AK? Oh.
I am Thou. Green Day. Nice. Hey, no, Nina. Good morning.
Good morning, Nina. How you doing today?
Pretty close to passing that eval then, hey, Johan? Nick, I can't reach you. You only need 1,000 on the eval, hey? Nice.
Can't reach me. Why not? Send me a message in the Discord.
I think she said she was trying to reach you in Discord and you didn't. Well, that was a couple days ago, but I'm not sure if.
Well, let me look real quick.
2 days ago or something. I think she said that.
My Discord.
Have you been neglecting your Discord, Nick?
No, I have 2 messages from Bookmap from this morning and 1 from Anthony Crudelli, and that's it.
Okay. From a real Anthony Crudelli?
Yeah.
Wow, you're actually friends with, for real, with that guy?
No, we're not friends. We don't know each other.
Come on, NQ, don't do this to me, man. You gotta bounce.
I know,
here.
I'm feeling the same way about YM. It's like, stop fooling around at this price and pick a damn direction already. Either break through the high of day. Yeah, the direction should be up today, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, nobody has any business taking shorts on YM right now, unless you're scalping pullbacks. All of the orders, all of the significant orders are on up at 720 level, 700, 660, 620, 600. So at least 30 points up above us.
I'm pretty convinced this is going to go up for me, though, so I actually added again.
Oh, yeah?
Now, yeah, I'm down. It's actually getting pretty close to my price here. Come on, let's give me a green candle here. Give me a green
All I
candle.
wanted was
Head
a
back
green
up. We got
candle.
the 21 and the 9 are trying to cross here. Wouldn't mind getting out with a little bit of profit here again, but I also don't want to rush this because we have those equal highs and those orders up at 26,000, but like I said, we're getting too many orders down below, so just need a little bit of a bullish pop here.
At 3 minis in on a YM long right now.
Was that my only chance to get out? Come on, YM or NQ. Just give us a little bit of a green candle. Sheesh. Come on. Let's go. Looks like she wants to go here. Where are the bulls at? Thinking about putting my stop in here, break even. See how this candle comes out of the gate here. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, I'm gonna lock in this break even. I might get stopped out here and just lose this position, but at least I'm not losing any money. We're up. It would be up 1 point. There we go. I made 525 after all that, but
I mean,
now what? It's gonna rip.
Yeah, I do know, and I'm sorry because I know that feeling too damn well.
Yeah, that's all good though. Like I said, I kind of managed that trade to patient, and got out, and yeah, pulling back. So I just don't like those orders down at 812. Maybe we need to hit the 800, 812 area first before we end up going to the 26,000. But I know we got these equal highs up at 26,122. So I feel like that's a huge draw on liquidity. It just might not be right now that we go there, right? It might be a little early.
Yeah, I mean, it is only 11 minutes after 10. I took 2 winners and 1 loser so far on these YM scalps. So
Okay.
This account is now, it's a 50K evaluation. So it's up $1,600 now for the day.
Nice.
And I've lost $700 of trailing drawdown. Because that's how that works. Yeah. If I can just pass it today and then trade it like a normal account, that'd be great.
Yeah, that's ideal.
Creating another bullish fair value gap at 603.
On like the 3 or something? 3 minute?
What was that?
Yeah, I see that. On the 3 minute chart?
On the 3 minute. Yeah, sorry. I'm on the 3 minute chart right now.
Yeah, because I was on the 5 and I didn't. We got some overlapping candles, so the 3's pretty good. Like the fair value gaps on the 3 minute get a little bit more respect than the 1 minute, anyways.
Yeah,
And,
it's good if you're scalping and you're using a tight stop loss. I would not do that if I was planning on holding a trade for the day.
Yeah.
I like the 15-minute for a daily assessment. Like if you go to the 15-minute right now on YM, it's nothing but green candles. So the 3-minute, I like to scalp with. If you want to make a quick couple $100 in like a few minutes, throwing on minis like a degenerate.
Yeah. But man, NQ's been super bullish overnight too. Right? ES also just going up, up, up. So everything's looking so strong right now.
Holding above, or YM's holding above the opening range high. It seems like that's where the resistance is right now, and all the orders are at just below that bullish fair value gap at 550. Actually going to reduce my size here to 1 mini.
That's a good idea. NQ sort of popped up and rejected off the 9 and 21 EMA. They're crossing right now.
We got a new high a day VWAP that formed 2 candles ago on the 3-minute. I'm respecting that on this one so far. Actually came down and touched it and went back up.
Okay, nice.
Now we just need one of those Randy B candles.
Randy B.
After I go long.
Okay, Darren, see you in a bit. Maybe you accidentally blocked Nina somehow?
Oh, I hope not. That would be an asshole
could've-
move. Hold on.
You know, that there could be a way that you maybe accidentally clicked some
Friends.
something.
Nope, she's definitely not blocked.
Huh.
I wouldn't do that.
Maybe
to
this
Nina.
is an
I like-
imposter Nina trying to talk to us right now.
Oh, maybe. Are you an
Just
imposter,
check-
Nina? What's going on here? You just messing with me?
Tim went long on MYM 49,557. Stop loss moved up to cover transaction fee. Nice. All right.
49,557.
Yeah, that's nicely in the money there.
Yeah.
Czar gold finally
Good
broke out a little bit. Nice. Let me take a look at gold real quick. Oh yeah, gold's popping up, and you've been in that since like pretty much at the opening. You're holding a nice position there. Congratulations, Mr. Czar. And Q's still holding that level. I'm going to be patient here, though. There's so much room up to the 26,100 level. I would like to see us get above 25,928 and then hold up that level. I would think about taking a little long scalp before we get to that point, though, if we can get up above the New York view up here. Maybe like a 15-point scalp. $20-point stop, something like that.
YM just created a new high of day.
Ooh, wow.
So if Tim's still in that it was Tim, right?
Yeah.
Tim's still in that trade. He's, I'm sure, pretty damn happy about it right now.
Oh, yeah. I got stopped out. A little bit of a win there on the YM. I'm also trading the eval from 64 to 69 on one mini. So a little bit of money.
Just trying to get the eval passed.
Yeah, I'm not rushing it too big, but yeah, I'm trading big side, but being aggressive on it to try to lock it right away. Oh, that's a pullback. And then a bounce. 640 up to 660. It's looking pretty volatile right now, though. NQ's heading lower.
I'm hoping YM wants to be contrary again today because I'm in a long from 627. It's forming a bullish fair value gap. Wow.
I just heard them say something about YM again on ASFX. What's going on here?
Not sure how I feel about that. Austin
Stealing the
switching
mojo.
up his
I think it's because Randy talks about it pretty often, so I think it's kind of like
okay.
getting on Austin's radar a little bit. Like when they're working together, like when the indices are going in the same direction, it's like it's super powerful.
Oh yeah.
So it's not something to
If
be
you can get
overlooked.
YM and I'm sorry, what was that?
I said it's not something to be overlooked, right? Like you can pay attention to it.
If you can get YM, ES, and NQ to all go in the same direction at the same time, you just go in that direction and put a trailing stop loss on it and walk away for an hour.
Yeah.
Don't really do that. That is not financial advice.
But that's the kind of idea behind it, right? Like,
Yeah.
making a new high on YM. NQ's trying to pop up here on the 15. I got a 15-minute candle here. It pulled back pretty hard, 645 candle, and then it's been sort of grinding up a little bit here. We got 3, 4, 500 orders up at 26,000 area. And, you know, we do have some orders below at 25,800, but there's only like about 300 there. So there's like twice as many orders on NQ at 26,000. So I'm still thinking at some point we just need to build up that slingshot potential here.
All right, made a new high a day.
Nice.
We can do that a couple more times.
There we go. I took a little scalp on the NQ there long. Like I said, though, I'm not looking to hold this one yet. It's starting to look a little more bullish. I want to see us get above previous day high, sort of play around with this high up here for a bit, and, you know, look for sort of a bullish fair value gap as an entry for the continuation up to 26,000. So I locked in about 58 on that long. Yeah, 58 on 3 micros there. Johan got an ES long TP hit. Nice. That's 5 winning trades today, hey? And you're bouncing around. Trading this, trading that. Somebody's on fire. Maybe you should, not advice, but maybe you should just lock it up so you don't you don't take a loss. But I mean, man, sometimes when you're on fire, it's the day that
you're on
gotta
fire.
Keep going.
But just make sure your stop losses are in place and all your risk management's on point. And some days, man, you just have a day where shit's going in your favor and you take advantage of that. Like I said, make sure your stop losses and all your risk management's on point. But the days when you should lock it up or when you take 2 shit trades in a row.
NQ ESY, I'm all printing a bearish candle at the moment on the 5s.
Yeah, YM starting to drop a little bit as well. Went off that high a day.
Yeah.
Up at 694.30. So it just dropped like 51 points.
Yeah.
On YM, 51 points is not a lot.
No. No, not when it puts in 1,000-point day sometimes.
Yeah.
There is a bullish fair value gap between, you know, above 624 to 638. I'm gonna go to the bathroom quick. I'll be right back.
Go for me too. So yesterday, Dave was saying that Zach Arbucci usually targets the middle of a fair value gap, and the last 5-minute candle on YM got almost exactly to the center of a bullish fair value gap and then went straight up. 30 points. On the 3-minute, it did exactly the same thing. Oh.
Nice, Johan. Yeah, that's a good idea. If you take one $100 loss, that'll be the end of the day. Yeah, that's a good way to look at it.
I like that.
Don't give too much back.
I was just saying while you were hitting the head yesterday when you were talking about Zach Arbucci's targeting the center of a fair value gap on the 3-minute. On this current fair value gap, it hit the center of it twice and bounced off it.
Mm-hmm.
And on the 5-minute, it did exactly the same thing. On the last one, came down to the center, almost down to the center of it, and then just came straight up.
Nice, yeah. Initial balance just set, everybody. And we got some news coming through right now with the gas inventory, maybe. I think it was EIA. Natural gas just came in. NQ keeps getting rejected off the New York VWAP. I don't know if it's just building up its power. I'm watching the 15-minute candles right now, and it's like we were up out of the gate and then pulled back, bounced, and then the next 15-minute candle, the 645 candle, we dropped all the way down, and then we've been holding below this New York VWAP. Shaking traders out.
Now we're going to need to start looking for bear traps.
Kind of on the 5-minute, or is that 15? Yeah, we're stuck in between the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA on the 15-minute chart. Got a cluster of orders up at 25,900 right now.
I am stuck in this range for the past 15 minutes.
Yeah, 3 candles, 3 indecision candles, sort of like pulling back and bouncing back up. Are you still in the long right now, or?
No, I got out of it.
Okay.
Now I'm in a long. See if the book map's lying to me today. It was yesterday.
Tim said he stepped away to help a customer in the store, and surprised when he came back. My trade, it was still in his trade because he moved his stop loss up a lot. Yeah, it's been holding up at this level. Nice job. Here's that bullish move out of NQ now. Starting to get there. Kind of a little slow on my entry there. Would have got 20 points if I was pulled the trigger there, almost. A little slow. Just one micro, but you'll still take it. Nice. Yeah, I mean, YM's a beast. I usually, when I trade the micros, I like to trade 2, and then it's just $1 per point, right? Rather than 50 cents a point.
Yeah, but considering YM can move 300 points in a minute.
Yeah, that's true. Austin's in his MES long.
I haven't even looked at anything but YM. I'm assuming he got in around 7,005.
Let's see. It looks
Second break
like
of
that. That's actually his second long. It's 7,650. Yep.
Say that second bounce or breakthrough of VWAP.
Yeah.
I'm not liking this price action on YM right now, so I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
All right. I tried three micros the other day and lost 250. So got nervous. All right, yeah, Tim, for sure.
Stop losses.
But yeah, it can move really fast. So it can, if you get on the right side of it though, man, it sure can print you some money real fast. Also. NQ pulling back here pretty substantial. YM or all three are actually pulling back right now. I'm in a long in that eval account on YM here. Got stopped out there in profit. So I made $436 in this account between yesterday and today. Oh, stopped out a little early, but that's okay. What's my trailing drawdown on this guy now? Getting close to recovering. I took a loss on it a day or two ago, so I was down a bit, and now I'm almost back to break even on the trailing drawdown here. Finally stopped out a $50 winner. Hey, that's a nice trade though, and you're getting some more experience, more feel to the YM, right? I took a long in that bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute chart. My entry was wish I didn't stop it out right now. 637. I was out at 654, and now it's up at 674. Sheesh. Which order's up at 950 now on NQ. Tim started a new 50K account, so you're taking it slow. Nice. Is it an eval account, Tim? Thanks for using my code if you guys are. I mean, my affiliate fees are slowly growing here. I appreciate that. Feel so blessed.
People are using your code again?
Yeah.
I keep telling them not to.
I know. That's like,
Nobody listens.
what the hell? Well, Tim just said he just started a new 50K, and then I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna look at my affiliate thing, and it's like it's up from where it was. So thank you, whoever did use it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Helps keeps me on these streams because I'm not making it from trading right now. But definitely have fun hanging out with you guys every day. So big pullback on NQ there. Yes, it's pulling back. YM still holding. I took the little long scalp while you're gone on YM out of that 5-minute bullish fair value gap.
Close it out quickly.
Yeah, I was in at 39 and I was out at 54 with 1 mini on that eval.
Right.
So I'm up 436 between yesterday and today's trades on that account. I took one last night. I think it was on gold. Right back down to the lows on NQ. Not loving the price action right now. We're just not really going anywhere on NQ. ES kind of curled up pretty nicely there, but now it's kind of below the New York now.
YM's dropping a bit, but still above the opening range, or I'm sorry, the initial balance. No, opening range, sorry.
Opening range. Flirting with opening range right now. What's gold doing here? How's Zard's trade doing? Gold's in a little bit of a pullback, but nothing doesn't look too concerning to me anyways. Could almost be a buy. And as I said that, it just popped right up like a few points anyways. A point anyways. But ES and NQ pulling back pretty heavily now.
So is YM now. Just dropped below the opening range high.
Oh yeah.
Tempted to put a limit order on at 545.
Oh yeah.
Right at VWAP.
Pretty strong pullback. Ugh.
See if it bounces off this. Looks like YM's gonna toy with my emotions again today.
Yeah, playing around. Oh, bouncing up now. Hit that. Didn't really hit anything specifically. Just maybe kind of holding opening range high.
at halfway between the opening range high and New York VWAP. So
Johan's long on gold. Last trade of the day. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's bouncing really good right now. Since I said something about it, it's up 4 points.
all right.
Was looking pretty strong. Just a pullback there. So NQ, we have a 1 hour bullish for value gap below, I think here. Yeah, so Randy was saying something about don't use Tradeovate. Oh, the indicators suck. Yeah, of course. Yeah, the indicators on TradingView do suck. They're the worst.
On what trading? Tradeovate?
Yeah. Like if you it's not even comparable to the to TradingView for all
Or
the
Ninja
how ease
Trader
of use.
or
Yeah. Any of the others. So it's only an execution platform. Like you can't really look at it for anything else.
I always
I'm
have
watching
the TradingView.
Yeah. I'm watching TradingView and I'm executing on Tradeovate and that's it. Like if I had, my Traders Post fully going, maybe then I would just be only on TradingView, but
That's how you
I'll get
do
around
it.
to that one of these days.
Get it done. Use code NickJ.
Well, I already bought it. I just haven't set it up. And I got to add more accounts to it because I only have 4 accounts or something. So I can only trade 4 right now or 3 or something. I don't know. If YM can erase this bearish fair value gap and get above 626, could try a long on that, as it takes the 9 EMA and erases that fair value gap. TP hit. Seems like I'm always on the right side today. Nice, Johan. Some days it's just like that, right? So glad you didn't stop when I said, hey, maybe you should stop and take your profits, but that
Don't
sounds
listen
like
to
you got
Dave.
one
He's
more trade in you.
today.
Yeah.
Just today. Most days he's spot on. Today, bullshit.
Not financial advice. That was the last one. Sure, yeah, okay, yeah, Johan. I'm sure it was. Until you see something else and you're like, oh, I'm gonna go. Nice trade though.
Yeah, YM is bouncing between that 9 and 21 right now.
Yeah.
21 sitting right at VWAP though.
Yeah, I see that. Like just a couple points above it. 9 points above it, which is nothing. Hey Tim,
On
thanks.
YM, that is, yeah.
Good day. It's an eval account of one of their flex accounts. Nice. Yeah, those flex account evals are pretty good. For sure.
What's a flex? Oh, on Lucid?
Yeah. The rules are pretty decent in those flex accounts. And the price is a little bit lower. Have a good day. Don't want to play with fire. Hey, Johan, you think you're stretching out your hitting luck today too far or what? I think you're just on. And some days when you're on, you just read shit good, you know? We're just reading it good. Getting close
Wish
to
we
that
could
1
all
hour
have
fair
days
value.
like that.
Yeah, me too.
All
So
right.
NQ's got
YM's
this 1 hour
pushing up.
fair value gap. YM's pushing up.
YM's starting to push
Okay,
up.
still.
It just toying with the 9 now. Bounced off a 15-minute fair value gap. It's back up above opening range high. Back to the 3-minute. Still have a bearish fair value gap on the 3-minute up above at the 9 EMA.
Zarb is doing his stream today on ASFX.
Oh, really?
That what's it called again?
ASFX TV.
Oh, the his stream.
Killzone.
Killzone, yes.
Is that right?
Nice. He's got a good memory, ladies and gentlemen.
That I do have.
Oh, we got a giveaway on ASFX? We got a 1-minute duck race on prop for match right now.
YM is just bouncing between the 9 and the 21. It's above New York and below high of day. I can't do anything here. Yeah, high of day VWAP is sitting at 640. Yeah, 640. And New York is almost 100 points below that.
Randy's in a long, in a little bit of drawdown, halfway to his stop.
Looks like YM's trying to erase a 3-minute bearish fair value gap.
Trump's talking about EU on Truth Social right now.
Oh, so I'm
Okay,
not getting into anything.
What's that?
So I'm not getting into anything right now.
Well, at least he's talking about EU and tariffs.
Yeah. See you later, Johan.
Wow, NQ just ripping up here.
YM just broke above the high of day VWAP. Erased that 3-minute bearish fair value gap.
Nice, yeah.
It's like YM's going to keep going up here. Creating a bullish fair value gap.
Yeah. Trying to make a new swept the high there anyways.
Yeah, created a new high a day. It's 703. And along, my price is 674. Just watching the book map and with my finger on the exit button.
Nice, yeah.
Locking in $50. And 75.
Nice.
Locking in 100. Created a new high a day.
NQ's trying to push up
And
to
another new high a day. Locking in 125.
I was in a duck race there and no wind. He made 100 on my reset account, micro copper. Nice. Micro copper, hey? Wow. Never traded copper before. Keith has been focusing on the metals.
I see that. Locking in 150. IM's making another new high a day at 739, 740.
Yeah, it's quite the push up there.
All right, taking my $190 and calling it.
Nice. Still working on passing that eval.
Yeah, I had one shit trade on that, but I ended up adding my funded account to it. That's why I changed the size on it.
Gotcha. Yeah.
I don't want to risk a whole lot on a funded account. That's
right.
Doesn't seem like a good idea to me. Oh, with that trade, I did manage to get my drawdown back up from 1,700 to 1,900.
Okay, nice.
That's the one thing that I do not like about trailing drawdown. You can be in profit, and as soon as it pulls back on you, you blow an account.
Yeah, right. Especially with when you're trading big size.
Just wait for a little pullback on YM here.
Going back a bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Got down to 710. It's a lot of orders at 684.
684. Gotcha. Might be the pullback zone.
$674 too. And another new high a day. 742.
Popping up there.
744. One of those days where I feel like I should have just put in a limit order for a long off the open and left it all day.
Right? Just, it would have been up, you know,
A lot.
It would have been up a lot. Especially if it was a mini.
300. I'll take 300 points on a mini. All right, Dave, you've had a bad influence on me. I'm looking at these fair value gaps and waiting for them to come down to them.
Is that a bad thing or a good thing?
I'll let you know in a few months. I'll look through my journal and figure out whether or not it's working for me.
See if it's good or bad. Yeah. It's just another thing you can add to your confluence. It's not too big of a, you know what I mean? Like, it's not a big indicator, doesn't block views on stuff, right? So
I don't really trade off of the indicator solely anyway.
Yeah.
It's price action, VWAP, momentum.
Yeah. And fair value gaps are basically another price action kind of idea, right? So markets are efficient. They like to rebalance areas. So that's why, you know, when it rips through an area, it likes to go back and rebalance it. And usually that's kind of the turnaround point. So
yeah, I was watching something, or I was reading something this morning on the metals market and the rebalancing for it. Whether or not that's happening, I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't really looked at gold or anything yet today.
I'll be back 1 sec, sorry.
Now YM is just fighting these pullbacks.
Yeah. Didn't get a very deep one there. Didn't even reach the fair value gap, right?
Yeah, and it's heading back toward high a day again. and is just dancing around with it now. New high of day, 49,748. 52.
It's almost becoming impossible to win on prop per match giveaways now.
Why is that? Oh, just too many people.
Yeah, there's like probably 200 entries now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's like, sheesh, like I have no idea. Like you can scroll the wheel like 30 times just to get to the top of the list. It's crazy. So all right, well, he got it. Maybe I think I overestimated. I don't know. It's the wheel, like when I'm scrolling the wheel, it was kind of like kept bouncing it back up a little bit. Maybe when people are putting another entry, but yeah, there's at least 3 rows of ducks. So NQ's slowly pulling back here to the New York VWAP. So
YM is still just hanging around high of day. Down 30 points from high of day.
yeah,
25. Yeah, this is definitely a bullish day on the YM.
Yeah, bullish grinder day on the YM.
So now I'm just waiting for another little pullback. This is one of those days too where you're waiting for a pullback and the pullbacks are so damn small.
Yeah. Yeah, we only had that one pullback from the 720 candle or 1020 candle, and then sort of pulled back down from 693 to 586. So like 100-point pullback.
Yeah, on the 15-minute, there's been one pullback.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah.
On the 1030 candle, it pulled back from 664 to 629, 628.50, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
That was it.
Kind of long here. NQ starting to push up here. Looking to see if we can't get sort of 18, 20 points out of this trade. And a bit more of a pullback actually now. Just rejected off my entry area.
YM still sitting on high day VWAP. It's been sitting within 20 points for the past 4 minutes, so
Yeah.
news just came up. Dow Jones Industrial, U.S. stocks regaining ground following a 2-day pullback.
Was that on TradingView?
Yeah.
TradingView news?
Current major averages are off their highs of the session, but still firmly positive. The Dow is up 296.96 points, or 0.6%. Oh, it's higher than that now. You ever see what's her name? Tori Trades.
Yeah.
I was watching a thing on trend lines,
Yeah. Yeah.
and her name came up.
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, apparently that's how she trades, and I'm not bad mouthing her. She's actually a good trader.
Yeah.
I cannot understand using trend lines at all. You ever tried it?
I mean, I do use trend lines on occasion. So, like I'll draw bull flags and stuff like that. So yes, occasionally I do. Usually in Confluence, not just as its own thing, right?
Gotcha.
It's pretty good to like frame out breakouts and stuff like that, you know.
Things I do not know how to do.
This NQ long was almost at my TP there. Now it's starting to pull back a bit again. I was thinking about closing it. Oh, we got stopped. Break even. Shoot. It was up like almost $80, and then it just rejected right before my TP. So I could use the bathroom again. Sorry, I'll be right back. Too much coffee.
Now in a YM long. Locking in $20. See if it makes a new high a day here. Trying to. Made $20. It's getting harder and harder to wait for these pullbacks. Looking at the 15 on YM, 697 looks like a good place to take another long. But that's 40 points below where I'm at, so. And the 5 minute 700 looks like a good place to get in. Book map on YM showing a bunch of orders down at 695. It's 51 orders at 693. Some at 672. I'm just going to wait for this pullback. Make a new high a day. Looks like it. Another lift on YM.
My apologies.
Not a problem. I just put in a long on YM.
We did? Nice. Oh, yeah, pushing up again.
All the orders underneath on the Bookmap disappeared.
Okay.
I'm going to put $200 in risk on.
Just took a little long scalp there on NQ. Grabbed $60 on 2 micros. I was targeting the 928, but it pulled back on my trailing stop there. Gold's getting a substantial pullback here. Back to the 200 EMA. It's been holding that in the past. Maybe this time it won't. Good thing I stopped out on that NQ. It's pulling back now.
YM's pulling back a little bit, but still holding this long for a few.
Yeah.
Judging by the way it's been moving, I may add to it on this pullback.
Yeah, it hasn't really shown any signs of stopping going up anyways for now.
Getting some orders up above on the book map again. Just gonna fool around with this price now. What's going on here?
Well, you know, NQ's pulling back a bit here, so
NQ's pulling back. I want YM to be contrary again. There it goes. Apparently, you just ask and you shall receive.
yeah, NQ's going bullish right now, so it's helping for sure. NQ and ES both popping up, so.
Still in my YM long here.
Ooh, nice. Up at the highs again.
And of course, it's pulling back now. Come on. Do what you're supposed to and go up.
Yeah.
You're going the wrong way. Get another bounce here. Is this going to happen? Got a new high of day VWAP formed on YM.
All right.
Like it's trying to make another high of day.
Well, we're getting close to 8:45 here. Probably going to wrap it up pretty soon. I gotta get painting.
Get to painting.
You gotta
Yeah, I
get
think
painting.
after I close this one out, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I'm in a micro short on NQ here.
I'm
Not
gonna
too pretty. It's not. It's down $7, so it's not like a big deal. But it's just not doing what I was thinking it was going to do. So I'm thinking about just getting out if I could get back to break even here.
I'm in a micro long on YM right here, so and just waiting for it to bounce up a little bit, get back up to that high a day and stop me out. Excuse me. This is getting boring now.
Yeah.
Nothing exciting happened.
$7 loss there. Now it's down 22.
And I am out.
You're out?
Yep. Made a whole $15 on that.
Okay.
That was a lot of effort for $15. So on that note, I am done for the day. And I guess I will see you again tomorrow morning.
Okay, sounds good. Yep. Look forward to it.
Everybody
Make
that's
more
been
money.
watching, have fun. If anyone's still actually watching, this has been boring for the past 45 minutes. So, all right, Dave, I'll see you in the morning.
See you, Nick. I got out there. I think I lost $1.50 or 50 cents actually, plus fees. So $1.50, $2 I lost there. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Don't want to risk giving any of these profits back. I think I'm up. Let's see. I'm up about 260 on the day across all these accounts. So yeah, it was fun. We got not very many people watching right now. We got 1 in the YouTube and 2 in Nick's YouTube actually, and then 5 in Nick's X. So it's been fun, guys. Thanks a lot. We will see you live tomorrow morning. Have a good day.